Excuse me, may I have one sweet chai and one black coffee?
Okay, sir. Dollars, please. Thank you. Oh, don't forget your wallet. And what's your name?
Thank you. My name's Hussein. Thank you.
Aaron. Oh, Hussein. One chai, one coffee is ready.
Hey man, I think it's you. Oh, thank you.
Oh, don't get up. I'm on my way to get coffees anyway.
Thank you.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Namaste, my friend. Oh, I was so busy cooking dinner when you texted. Oh, you know what? Wait, I brought you some. Oh my gosh, I must have dropped it on the way here. I'm so sorry.
I have an extra apple. Take it.
Oh, Danglia, that's so nice of you. I've never seen you looking like this. You look so sad. What's going on?
No, I want to change. But I feel like I've made a lot of mistakes and I don't know what to do. Like, since I've been into this costume and I feel like it's affecting me. I'm too into it and too much black. I mean, I like black, but I don't know.
Well, I see what you mean. You do like black. But it's not about the black. Keep the black. It's just about, changing your action. One date at a time.
That's it?
That's it. It's cold in here.
Oh, here, take my coat. It doesn't match, but it'll keep you warm. Also, there's a secret heater in the thermal generator.
Oh, you're right. It is warm. I bet it can heat up food too. You know what? Thank you for lending this to me. I really appreciate it. Looks like you're on your way. I gotta go wash dishes now.
Oh, there's actually a button on the right that washes, makes the exhaust washes the dishes for you.
Oh, you know what? You should just think of yourself as an incredible inventor who happens to wear a lot of black. Bye!
Done terrible things? If it's not too late for me, it's not too late for you. You too can be a hero. Just be on the prowl for ways to be helpful. No task too big or too small. Just be super helpful and perceptive in a sneaky, prowling way.
Ocean Parker.
50,000 feet in the air, let me take you on a ride. Girl, it feels so amazing when we can get away, just you and I. Another dimension, you take me away from reality. Got me running away from the world, but you. Everything starts in time in this moment is you I see. These stars in the sky, they remind me of you and me. Nobody compares to you, no, no. Then I care and now I care for you, no, no. Take it to another place. I don't mind for you and I do escape. Can you see the vision? 50,000 feet in the air, let me take you on a ride. Girl, it feels so amazing when we can get away, just you and I.
Going?
You take me away from reality.
You ready?
Yes, record.
So obvious. Put it down closer to the edge.
Yes.
Namaste, my friend.